people. So here I am. My name is Sonal. As you know, if you don't know me, then yeah, now you got to know that my name is Sonal. And my name is Sonal. And this video is about my maths board experience. That how it went, how it was, everything about it. So yeah, without any delay, let's move on. Let's move on to this video. But without it, let me tell you, if your math examination went bad or anything, because I have heard many things about class 10 board examination in 2025 session in 2025 to 2026. The paper was very hard. The paper was very tough. The people are saying like that. But if your paper went very ganda, very worst, then don't take more stress, please, because you are going to get a linear checking. Okay, so you don't have to take a lot of stress if you have it hard work. Okay, if you have not, then you have to regret about it. Yeah, this is what I'm saying to you. You have to regret about it. And for regretting, I doesn't mean that you have to cry all the time. Like, it doesn't mean regret. You have to do hard work. You have to do your best in all other subjects, and you have to do hard work in your upcoming classes. Okay, so yeah, that's what I want to say to you. But now let's move on to this video. Let me tell you which type of student I am. I'm not the topper. I'm not the average. I'm the above average girl. Okay. So above average is not about my looks or like something. It is about the studies. I'm above average at my study. So yeah. So what has happened? From starting, I have a good. I used to love math. Literally, I'm saying it to you. I used to love math. Not from childhood. I don't remember from childhood. I don't remember from childhood I used to love maths or not. I don't remember that. But yeah, from class 8 I know. From class 7, 8, 9, 10, I used to love math. I used to think myself as a topper, as a good, as very, I used to think myself that I'm intelligent in math. Okay, I'm intelligent. I used to be like that. Okay, so when it was the beginning of class 10, I have, literally I'm telling you that I don't have confidence. It was my overconfidence. I am very confident that I'm going to score very good marks in maths. Yeah, it could be happen that I'm not going to score good marks in SST, I'm not going to score good marks in science or in other subjects, but I'm going to score good marks in maths. It's definitely, it's damn sure. Because my teacher, it is also because my coaching teacher, used to make us understand maths very easily, very smoothly, very actually. So I used to think myself as a topper. So what has happened with me? Let me tell you what has happened. So as I have told you that I was not very topper, I was not average, I was above average. So yeah, I have did hard work for class 10. I definitely said that I have did hard work for class 10. But the mistakes that I have did in class 10, as I have already told you, as I've already mentioned in the another video, I think. So yeah, so in that video I have told you that I have not did time management. Means I have solved many previous year questions or sample papers, but I have not bought any sample paper book. Really. But I have not bought any sample book, but I have solved many previous year questions from the phone, from the tab, like from the devices. I have solved many. But the fact, yes, I have did a lot of practice, all of these things. But my mistake was I have not thought about what was my weak point. Means in maths, if I would say, so my calculation is very ganda, I would say. My calculation is not that much good. Let me fix it out. Yes, better. So yeah, my calculation is not that much good. Yes, I'm very weak at calculation. Maybe I have not learned multiplication, division, or addition or subtraction in my first or second standard. I have not learned it very well. So yeah, still my calculation is not that much fast, not that much quick. So it is like that. Even of knowing all these things, that my calculation is not good, I have not practiced at this point. And this is the most worst thing, or this is the most ganda thing that I have done. Okay, so I have solved many previous year question sample papers. Yes, I have it, but what I don't complete it. I don't determine. मैं ऐसा नहीं सोची कि I have to complete my paper, or I have not did the practice of completing a set of paper in within 3 years. I have not did this. I have not did this practice. I have not this practice. Okay. And because of that, I was not able to solve my question paper or board examination within 3 hours in all the subjects. I'm not just talking about maths. I'm talking about all the subjects except computer. Okay, so I'm talking about all the subjects that I have not get any time. Any time to recheck my my paper, that what I have done or something. I have not get that time because of my slow speed writing, because of my thinking power, because I'm slow thinker, I'm dim-witted girl, I would say, really. Okay, so let me tell you the story. What happened? So initially, at the beginning, I was very confident, as I had said it to you, and I was very confident that I am going to score very well in maths, literally. So what was my expectation? Let me tell you that before the math examination, it was science maybe. Yeah. So in science examination, I told to my friend that her name is, should I reveal her name? No, it's not. So her name is Anna. Okay, so I have said it to her that literally I'm saying it to you that I'm going to score 100 out of 100 in maths. I'm going to score very well in maths. If I could not score 100 out of 100, then I could score 95, 96, 97, like something, but not below 95. Really, I am getting this, what? As a quad, I would say. I'm not going to score 95 below. I'm going to score more than 95, or maybe if something happened very worse, then it could be 93, 94, but not less. Yeah, I can't score 91 even. Means yes, I was like that. Okay, so what happened to me? Okay, so after giving my science examination, it went very bad. Okay, so it went very bad. I was not happy with my science examination, and after coming back from my center, I cried. Okay, after crying, I determined that no, I have to give math examination, and I want to score good in math. Now I have to do study, and I have to study. I was not like that I'm confident in math, I'm going to score good in math. I have not did study. It was not like that. I have did study, I have given my best. Let me clarify to you, I have given my best, but my practice was not was that good. Okay, so yeah, so after preparing for maths board examination, and as you know, for maths board examination there was 10 days to prepare. Yes, a lot of time to prepare. So yeah, I was very happy. I got to know that before maths it was not science, it was something else, maybe SST, or it was SST, maybe, I don't know, maybe it is SST or Hindi. Okay, so me really tell you that I have clarity of all the topics. I have the clarity of all the chapters and all the sums. Means I was clear at every topic. Means yes, it was like that, and it was not like that. I am just in delulu that I'm gonna score 100 out of 100. I have that much. Means what, that much practice also. Okay, it was not like that I have not done a lot of practice. I'm just in delulu, and delulu never happens in reality. It was not like that. It was not like that. I have did practice literally. I would say that. So yeah, maths examination, I have given a lot of I have given a lot of exams, so I was not that much scared. So yeah, when I went to the center, okay, I was a little bit nervous. Yes, I'm going to give the examination. I'm going to give the board exam. Okay, as the people used to be like that, oh my god, you're going to give the board examination this year. So yes, people make it more fearful. I was nervous. I think I was nervous. Yeah. But the only thing that I was thinking of at that time, I said, and yeah, means we don't get the paper just in a minute. We have to wait 15 or 16 minutes to get the paper. So in 15 or 16 minutes, I was thinking that if my paper didn't finish within the time, then what will happen? And if I'll do wrong calculation, then what will happen? This is what I was thinking of. Okay. So yeah, this is all I was thinking. And literally what happened? After getting paper, then I saw the paper. When I opened the paper, I didn't see the section 1. Mostly people, what they do, they used to see the section 1. They used to see the section 1. But I don't saw that. Firstly, I move on to the section E. Because as I have heard in many videos, the section E means case-based question used to be very hard. So yeah, first of all, I opened case-based question and I saw the question. And my reaction, let me tell you how it was. Means I'm seeing the question paper. And it was like that. Means surprising and smiling. How I could express it to you. So yeah, I was happy at that time. After opening section E, I moved back to the section D. Oh my god, this is also easy. Section B, oh my god, this is also easy. Section C, oh my god, this is also section A. Oh my god, this is also easy. So this was my This was my emotions. This was my facial expression at that time. So yeah. So I was thinking my maths board examination is going to be very good like that. That yeah, I'm gonna score very good in maths like that. So now I thought, now I'm going to score very well, Sonal. Now you have to just focus on time or on your calculation. You have to do the calculation very well. So this is what I thought, and I started to solve the paper. So I have completed section A, then section B, then section C, or then section D, then section. So in section C or D, maybe I have left 1 or 2, 3 questions for calculation because the calculation was a little bit tricky and very lengthy, I would say. So yeah, I had left them, and I thought that I have means what I used to think that case-based question used to be very means you have to do with the brain, with your smartness. Okay, so at last time I would not be able to use my smartness. I would be not able to use my brain because of time limit. Because of time limit I became nervous. So I thought that first of all I have to solve section E. Okay, so yeah, so I left those questions in section C. I left some questions in section C, section D, and I moved to the section E. Okay, so in section E I've solved the question, and the thing that I have did wrong, maybe from there my marks maybe cut it down, is on the calculation, because yeah, as I've said it to you that my calculation is not that much good. So after completing my section E, when I saw the time, it was means only 15 or 10 minutes was left. Okay, yeah, only 15 or 10 minutes left. So jaldi say I moved back to the section C or section D, and I started to solve them. And means maybe in MCQ you have also left 1 or 2, 3 questions, and also quickly moved to the section E and moved the question frequently. So it was like I have solved the paper within 3 hours, but I have not get the time to recheck it. Yes, I have not get the time. So yeah, I have solved the paper. Means I have got just few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes to recheck it. I was like, means I don't know how to recheck the papers. People used to say that I have rechecked it 2 or 3 times, but me fully well, I don't know how to recheck the paper. When I completed my paper, maybe there are 2 or 3 minutes left out. So I was like, maybe कहाँ मेरा गलती हो सकता है, कहीं तो गलती नहीं हो सकता है, कहाँ गलती हो सकता है, कहीं तो गलती नहीं हो सकता है. So this was my rechecking. Okay, this was my rechecking. This was the process of my rechecking. Means give my paper, I became very sad. Means I have not given even on recheck timing. I was like that. But when I met my friends, even they said that they also not get the time to recheck her paper, their paper. So I got happy. Okay, means they also not get that. So yeah, I was like, okay, ठीक है. Means this I not get happy, not at all. But I was a little bit relaxed that even they not get. Okay, so okay. Yeah, the paper was a little bit tough. That's why we not get it. That's why we not get the time of rechecking. Yes, I was like that. Okay. But I was not that much sad. Don't think that if I'm doing like that I have not get the rejecting time, then I'll decrease my expectation. It was not like that. When still my expectation was 99 or 92 or 93 something. Okay, yes, maybe it below 95. I was like, okay, I'm not gonna maybe because of I have not rechecked it, so maybe I can't get above 95, but I can score above 91 or below 95, like 91, 92, 93, 94. Okay, so. But when I saw my paper, when I saw my result, the only thing that I'm most focused on, where is my maths, because I have more expectation on this subject. I had most expectation. I had the most expectation on this particular subject. So when I saw his marks, no, I don't say that in this particular subject I have most expectation. In other subjects I have, but okay. So yeah, firstly I have saw the math because of some issue. I have seen the maths marks firstly. When my result came, so board examination result. So when I see the marks, let me reveal you my marks. If you're waiting for my marks, then here it is. It is 80 in 80s. So can you guess it? How much? 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. Yes, it's 86. So I have scored 86 in maths. So yeah, I was not that much happy, but not that much sad also, because I knew that yeah, my calculation is going to be wrong. So yeah, that's what happened with me in my maths examination. So that's all my maths board examination experience. And yeah, I have not get what I have expected. mean, still I am saying it with a smiling, with a smile face. But at that time, I was not that much happy. Literally, if I would say, I was crying after giving my maths board examination. I was crying because I knew somewhere that I'm not gonna score 100 out of 100 or 99 or 98. I'm gonna score 90. Even I have thought that I'm gonna score 94, 95. Even of knowing that I can score 94, 95, I was crying. Means I have did a lot of practice. I have did a lot of hard work. I have did a lot of hard work in maths. Yes, I have did it. Literally, I have. But even of that, I couldn't be able to get above 90. That's so sad. But yeah, now I don't cry over the marks. No, now it's not in my nature because now I'm in 11th grade. And even I'm not in 11th grade. I will not say that in which particular field I am, but yeah, I'm not in 11th grade, but somewhere I am in 11th grade. You would not understand that. Okay, so yeah, that's all about me, and that's all about my maths experience. And yeah. So yeah. And yeah, if this video is watching by 10th grade students, then please comment in the comment below that what marks you are expecting, please, because I want to know your expectation. If you are in class 11, then tell me what was your expectation and what you got. Okay, so yeah, bye bye. Take care of yourself and have a nice day.